Meantime, out west, firefighters are battling those blazing fires in baking hot temperatures. More triple-digit heat in the forecast. NewsNation correspondent Nancy Liu joining us live in L.A. with the latest on dozens of wildfires still raging in the western part of the country tonight. Nancy.
And Rob, one of California's newest fires is threatening an area that was wiped out by the Camp Fire 3 years ago. And the forecast for more extreme heat will make an already challenging firefight even harder. The massive plume from the Dixie Fire in Butte County leaves no doubt that the firefight is a big one. It is mainly an air attack due to very steep terrain, which is just north of the burn scar from the 2018 Camp Fire.
I lost everything.
Area residents are clearly anxious and keeping close tabs on the new fire, which is nearing 5,000 acres.
Seeing the plumes of smoke, it really raises everyone's anxiety level.
Union Pacific is in on the fight, deploying water tankers to zap hillside flames and protect its rail tracks. But CAL FIRE says onlookers and drone activity are an issue.
Please do not come into the area, whether you're driving into the area or you think you can fly a drone into the area, because we're going to have to stop our suppression efforts from the air.
To the north, the massive bootleg fire continues to ravage southern Oregon. It has grown to over 227,000 acres and is just 7% contained. But firefighters now have the upper hand on the Beckworth Complex fire along the California-Nevada line.
We're lucky we got out with our lives.
Residents of the small town of Doyle have been allowed to return, but some have nothing to return to.
I have no idea in this world what I'm going to do now, because I'm not a rich person. I can't just buy another house, boom, like that.
Now, temperatures are starting to rise again. It's expected to really start to heat up after tomorrow throughout the Southwest. This will be the fourth heat wave in just the past 5 weeks, and many of the record highs that were set just recently could be broken again. Rob?